welcome to my channels. It's Juvy here, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. As in, it's a very quick one, guys. You just have to press the button down there, the red button, subscribe, and then you're done. So for today's video, I will be doing a haul from. So about a month ago, we went to Canberra Outlet Center. And I went to, and they have a massive sale. They always have a sale in there, actually, because the good thing going there is, you know, like all the stuff, like old stuff from the mall area here around our place, and they're gonna send it to Canberra Center. That, and the good thing also is they will put it, you know, very cheap price as well. So for this video, it's I'm gonna do a haul from JayJays. So JayJays, I got 2 bags of JayJays, and of course Ali. So this one Ali Fashion, and Just Jeans. So that one, guys, Just Jeans. So yes, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you first the from Ali. Okay, so the first one I got from Ali is, of course, the bag. It's a very cutie bag. Let me try on. So this is what it looks like, guys, the bag. Oh, and it has a pocket here. See that one there, a pocket, a lock. So that one, as in, it's a cutie one. I just have to clean this one. I just have to clean this one because it's quite dirty. Because and this one is only $5, guys, as in. So that one there, and this is what it looks like inside. It has a pocket, safety pocket, and yeah. And let me just check to make sure the price, because it says in here $10 from how much is it? From $18. So they call it ring data bag. So let me just check how much is this. So the ring detail shoulder bag is $5, so it's 50% off. See, from $18 down to $10 minus 50% off. So I got this one for $5, as in, it's a good price, right? So that one. And the next one is this cord dress. Yeah, as in, I really like it. This, I like the detail in here, the button, and also it has a zip at the back. And of course, I'm gonna try this one on, guys, and this is what it looks like. Cutie, right? And it kind of matches with the bag as well, in the shoulder bag. So that one, and that one is it's only so normally, wow, that's a very good savings, from $30 down to $10, guys, as in $10 only. Very good. Sorry, $9. Sorry, it says called A-line dress. It's only $9. Wow, from $30 down to $10, $9, as in, it's a very good price. And the next one is this one. I like this color, see, emerald green. It's my favorite color, and it has a zip in here at the back. So that one, guys, and look at the nice detail here. Nice one, isn't it? And it's a long sleeve, and then you can wear this one boots as well, or shoes. And of course, it has a belt at the back. So it's a very pretty, yeah, as in. And of course, I'm gonna show you this one here. That's what it's look like, guys, when you tried it on. And this is only $10. Wow, I'm so happy. So as in, for the whole three, for the three item, it only cost me $23.99. See how good is that, guys? As in, that's why you should always look around first. And go to the yeah, so Canberra outlet, I mean. And the next one is, I'm gonna show you the from JayJays. Alright, so this one, the first one is this off-shoulder thingy, like a slide thingy. Slide? So that one. So yes, I'm gonna try all of this, and then I'm just gonna insert a photo right here. So this one is only $5. $5, guys. Let me just check, because I think this much what to call this one? Yeah, it's all $5. White. Shelly off shoulders is $5. So that one. And of course, this another off-shoulder one. This one, off-shoulder again. Guys, I have two white. So that one. And this is $5 as well. Normally $50 as in. So this the back looks like. That one there. And here's the photo. That one. And the other one as well, guys, is from normally $50 as well, down to $5. See? $50. And the next one is long sleeve, of course. So this one is only $5 as well, is it? I lost a thing now. Yeah, this is all $5, guys. This is all $5 thingy here. So this one, the long sleeve. That one. Long sleeve. This is from $40 as well, down to $5. See how good is that? And the other one is the stripy off-shoulder. My goodness me, I didn't realize that I have, I bought a lot of off-shoulder stuff. So this is from 60. Can you believe it? Down to $5. That's not a price, guys, because the guy said if it is marked green, it's only $5. So that's why I got this one for only $5 from 60. Oh my goodness me, it's more than, like, you know, it's pretty much they nearly give away this one. So yeah, that one there. And look, that's what it looks like there in the side. So yeah, that's all for our haul from JayJays. And now I'm gonna show you the JayJays first. I got two bags here from JayJays. And the first one I'm gonna show you is this jumpsuit. Jumpsuit, did I say it right? Jumpsuit. So this one, this is the I'm just gonna put the button here all in the front, guys, and of course I'm gonna try this one on. So that one there, and it's X at the back. X. So this one is it's a long one. It's a long jump short. So yeah, this one, guys. So this is what it look like. So that one, that's JayJays. JayJays, what I'm talking about, JayJays, I mean. So the other one is, of course, and I bought this stuff, guys, about a month ago. As I said, that was the end of winter, because they always have like big sale their winter stuff, of course, because we are summer now. So yeah, that's why this sale, they have a really big clearance for their winter clothes, of course. And this one, the other one is the sweatshirt. It's not sweatshirt, it's sweater, I mean. I like the detail in here, it's very cute. And of course, it's like a crop top, guys, as in. I like it. It's very soft material, as in it's a very nice cotton. Very soft. And this one is $10 from $40. So that one there. And let me just check if it might I'm wrong with the price. Oh no, sorry guys, this is all $7. So this one is $7, and the next one is the knitted material. This one, the shirt, is $7 as well. This one, no, sorry, this is only $3.50, guys. It's a nice emerald green as well. See, $3.50 from $15. So that one there. And of course, the netted one is $7. It's a mustard one. Extra small. Ayan, from $35 down to this one here, guys. As in, it's $7 only. It's a cutie. $7 from $40. So yes. So that's all for today's video. Thank you again for your never-ending support. I really appreciate you all for taking your time watching my video. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe right down there. Just press the red button and then you are good to go. So hopefully I will see you next video. Thank you everyone. God bless. Bye.